flowers look magical.
And the fire is so warm. I love it here.
Wow, the rain is so heavy.
Can we watch it from the window?
Yes, grab a blanket and come watch with me.
Look at the rain. It's coming down so fast.
It's like a big river outside. I want to go play in it.
We have to wait, silly. Look at all the raindrops.
They're racing down the window.
Let's make it cozy in here.
Be careful not to touch the cold glass, sweethearts. I'll get this fire going strong. What are you making?
Just some stew. Smells wonderful already.
Vegetable soup. It'll be ready soon.
Dinner will be ready in just a little while.
Just right. Maybe a little more salt.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. One for each of us.
Exactly right. You are very clever.
Time for dinner, you two.
Coming!
Hooray! Everyone, soup is ready. Come gather around.
All right, let's go eat.
There you go, nice and warm. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Mama.
Hold it steady, sweetie. There we go.
Okay, Mommy.
Bless this food, which we are about to receive. Amen. Thank you for this meal and our warm home. Itadakimasu. This is delicious, honey. Perfect for tonight.
I'm so glad you like it.
I'm so glad. It's nice to have everyone together like this.
Blow on it first, it's still hot.
It's good. Really good.
So warm. Oh, sorry.
It's quite all right, son.
Don't you worry.
And then the bird landed right on the fence.
It was so close that I could see its eyes. No way.
That's amazing.
So full.
All done. I ate everything.
Good job, sweetie. You ate it all up.
That's my boy. I can help. Let me carry mine.
Thank you, sweetheart. Be careful. Hold it with both hands.
You're doing great.
Nice and steady. Almost there.
I think it's past his bedtime.
Someone's getting sleepy.
It's been a big day, hasn't it, buddy? Come on, let's get cozy. I'll share the blanket with you.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like the one outside, lived a small, curious spirit who loved the rain.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like this one, there lived a small fox who loved the rain. A fox?
I'm tired. I want to hear what happens.
I think someone needs to get to bed soon.
Bedtime?
Definitely. Sleep tight, baby.
Come here, buddy. Let's get you to bed.
He's completely out.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, living room.
Oh, good night, Rain.
Good night, sweetheart. Let's get you tucked in.